Hello, my name is Ayuna Jiha binti Mukhtaruddin. My metric number is A18A0077. Today I want to present about Darden Restaurant. About Darden Restaurant, the world's largest full-service restaurant company that owns and operates 2,000 restaurants that generate over 8 billion in annual sales. Headquartered in Orlando and employing more than 190,000 people, Darden is recognized for a culture that rewards caring for and responding to people. In recent years, it has expanded overseas and has a presence in the Middle East in countries such as Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, and Japan. In 2013, Darden was named to Fortune magazine's 100 Best Companies to Work For list for the third year in a row and is the only full-service restaurant company to ever appear on the list. Next is company's headquarters of Darden Restaurant are Orlando, Florida, and United States. The country that Darden Restaurant that have operate, which are Brazil, Colombia, Dominican Republic, and Panama. And the number of branches are like 978 plus branches. Next is the owner of initiator and starter of the business, when and how the business started. William Bill Darden opened his first restaurant, the Green Frog, in his hometown of Waycross, Georgia in 1938, in age 19. The restaurant that grew quickly formed the basis of the organization that later known as Darden Restaurants. Later, he founded the Red Lobster restaurant Lakeland, Florida in 1968. Darden chose Lakeland because he wished to see how a seafood restaurant would fare in a non-coastal region. The restaurant became successful and by 1970 had expanded to 3 locations in the state, but company lacked resources to expand further, so Darden sold the company to food giant General Mills that year. Okay, after that, what form of business they are operating? What are the main product or service they are selling? Okay, the firms owns 2 fine dining restaurant chains such as Eddie V's, Prime Seafood, and the Capital Grill, and 6 other casual dining restaurant chains like Olive Garden, Longhorn Steak House, Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen, Yard House, The Capital Grill, Seasons 52, Bahama Breeze, and Eddie V's. The main product Darden selling is food and seafood. Darden Restaurant is known for fresh seafood, interesting rice bowls, and island-inspired fare like its famed coconut shrimp, flame green sticks, and house-made burgers. The service offered is food service. Okay, next is the criteria they use in choosing which country to operate. If they operate in Malaysia, why they choose Malaysia, and if not, why they don't operate in Malaysia. Darden remains committed to owning and operating its restaurant domestically. Darden believed that the best way for them to expand the reach of their portfolio internationally is by selecting great partners such as IMC, International Milk Company Holdings, that have criteria such as outstanding operation experience, local market knowledge, and the commitment to delivering their brand's experience with excellence. Darden Restaurant will make Kuala Lumpur its Asia Pacific headquarters, from which it will expand to Southeast Asia and the Far East. It was 2 cities, which is Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, that will be considered for its headquarters. Bill Herzik, Senior Vice President of Darden Restaurants and President of Darden Aquafarm, is wholly owned subsidiary of Darden Restaurant. It had always been impressed by Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur in all the years he had traveled for business in this part of the world and knew of the huge potential in the country. After years of evaluation and research, when the company was confident that lobster aquaculture farming was feasible, it began looking around for countries where it could start the venture, and in the end, company decided to go with Malaysia. Bill says that Malaysia's very successful FELDA, where people were given land and the know-how on how to plant rubber trees and eventually become successful planters on their own. Okay, last is what is my opinion on the company's performance in the near future. Will they be better, maintained or closed down? In my opinion, the company's performance of Dada restaurant in the future will be better. This is because they know how to get an excellent company to be a partnership or to cooperate with them. For example, the IMC is one of their partner which is meet the desired characteristics. I think with these two big company cooperation, they will get more better performance in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.